We have a fantastic promotion for new accounts at the moment. If you are interested, check out the details either on the Facebook page of Gelatama or LinkedIn. Alternatively, you can visit the website of Gelatama Management. The required links are below this video. Speak to you soon. Good afternoon, my name is Jordan, Market Analyst at Gelatama Management. So, gold's bounce is either running out of steam or pausing for breath. It reached a high of 1267 yesterday before retreating due to some profit taking. Gold bulls will be trimming down positions ahead of the ADP Non-Farms today and the Non-Farms on Friday, which is issued by the Department of Labor in the US. As the market majority is expecting a continuation of the positive data that we saw last week. Since gold dropped to 1179 last week, we have seen a slight shift in market dynamics. We are hearing about gold miners cutting back on production, and we have seen an increase in demand of the physical market, and this has sparked a bear market rally. Barricks, the largest gold miner in the world, they have announced that they are delaying the opening of their Pascua-Lama mine until 2016. One of the reasons being the drop in gold prices, and so supply squeezes like this should provide some sort of a bottom support for gold. Let's just take a look at the chart. I've been looking at the 4-hour chart a lot recently. So yesterday we saw price did break through 1262, which was a Fibonacci 38.2% retracement level, but this breakout only produced about a $6 profit. The bears gained control again at 1267. Right now it is difficult to ascertain whether we are in in a pullback of a bear market rally that began last week on Friday. So is this here a pullback? Are we about to begin the next upward leg of the bear market rally, or are we about to begin the next leg of the bearish trend? So this shooting star here on the 4-hour chart, is it the beginning of the next leg of a bearish trend, or has this pullback that we have seen since yesterday, is that going to end now, and now we are seeing the next leg of the upward trend? So and this indecisiveness is probably caused because of the non-farms data that we are going to be delivered this week. So we're very likely to be range bound this week, and under such market conditions, when the market is awaiting data, we can see triangle patterns form, and this just illustrates the indecision. So I am sitting on the fence. I would just be careful. I would exercise patience before taking a risk, and just look for any patterns emerging or any strong trend lines appearing on the chart before executing a trade. Some food for thought this week. Some things to be aware of is the dollar-yen pair has crossed up past the 100 level. So that is bearish for gold, but do bear in mind that the dollar strength or dollar weakness affects gold by approximately 15%. So both markets can move in the same direction. So that is possible. Also be aware that China are fighting off a very dark cloud of the credit crunch that is occurring in China. It hasn't affected the markets too much yet, but it is looming, it is lingering in the background. So that could affect gold in different ways depending on the amount of uncertainty that it generates. Also, we have Spain's and Italy's services PMI today. That's at 8:15 a.m. and 8:45 a.m. respectively. And if that supports the evidence that we saw last week, that there could be a potential bottom for the Eurozone's economy, that could lift the euro-dollar pair and affect gold that way. So, and also we have the US private non-farms, that will be at 1:15 p.m. GMT. And that is always an important precursor before the all-encompassing non-farms that we get on a Friday at the end of the month. So we've got some data to be aware of this week. Trade accordingly. I am sitting on the fence right now because we need to see some patterns emerge or trend lines emerge, and we are likely to see possibly triangles or range-bound activity appearing on the charts until we get the ADP number today at 1:15, and then we get the official US non-farms on Friday at 1:30 GMT. So maybe just exercise patience until we get more data and get more market movements. Thank you very much for listening to me. I'll speak to you again tomorrow.